In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate WooCommerce with N8N to build a powerful e-commerce automation system. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and going to WooCommerce settings. Under the Advanced tab, open the REST API section and create a new API key. This will generate your consumer key and consumer secret, which you will use to connect WooCommerce to N8N. Next, open N8N and create a new workflow. Add a WooCommerce node or a webhook trigger if you're using a custom setup. Then enter your store URL along with the API credentials you generated earlier. Now choose what you want to automate. You can retrieve orders, update products, manage inventory, or even create new products directly from N8N. To make your workflow more powerful, you can connect additional nodes. For example, you can send new order notifications to email or Telegram, store order data in Google Sheets, or even use an AI agent to generate product descriptions or customer responses. Run a test by placing a sample order in your WooCommerce store. Check if the data appears correctly inside N8N and make sure all fields like product name, price, and customer details are being captured. Once everything is working properly, activate your workflow. N8N will now automatically respond to WooCommerce events and handle your e-commerce automation tasks in real time. And that's how to integrate WooCommerce with N8N, connect your store, configure API access, test your workflow, and automate your entire e-commerce system with ease.